Hello, good morning. This is your daily outlook for Monday, the 10th of December. The euro is weakening following an announcement made by Italy's Prime Minister that he will resign as soon as the budget gets approved. Italy succeeded in passing various reforms under Monti, and he was deemed a credible counterparty by his peers within the eurozone. The succession is going to bring uncertainty and fragile balances in the region's political scene. The Australian dollar recorded a 3-month high at 105.15 against the US dollar over the past week, following the release of an improved unemployment rate, a lower than expected gross domestic product figure, and the decision by the Reserve Bank of Australia to lower their lending rate to 3% from 3.25%. The New Zealand dollar was also strengthened after the Reserve Bank of New Zealand decision to leave its lending rate unchanged at 2.5%. The British pound appears soft versus the US dollar as market participants anticipate a speech by the Bank of England Governor King at the Economic Club in New York at 17:15 GMT today. The US dollar is falling against the Japanese yen early in the EU session, even as Japan released a worse than expected third quarter GDP. Now let's take a look at what the currencies are doing this morning. The euro-dollar pivot points at 129.30 with a preference to enter into short positions at 129.30. The dollar-yen pivot point at 82.60 with a preference to enter into short positions at 82.60. The Aussie-dollar pivot point is at 105.20 with a preference to enter into short positions at 105.20. The sterling-dollar pivot point at 160.50 with a preference to enter in short positions at 160.50, and the dollar-CAD pivot point is at 0.9910 with a preference to enter in short positions at 0.9910. Looking at commodities and indices. The oil pivot point at 87.60 with a preference to enter in short positions at 87.60. The gold pivot point at 1684 with a preference to enter into long positions at 1684. The silver pivot point at 32.50 with a preference to enter into long positions at 32.50. The US 500 is at 1405 with a preference to enter into long positions at 1405. And the UK 100 is at 5926 with a preference to enter in short positions at 5926. And of course, for up-to-date information, please visit us at easy-forex.com. And watch out for these market movers. In Europe, we have the Italian industrial production month-on-month in October forecast to drop by 0.2%, and also the Centix investor confidence forecast to rise to 16.2. And in Canada, we have the housing starts in November forecast at 202,000. Our interesting pair is the silver dollar. We saw that the silver is having an upbeat start of the week, rising against the US dollar. The precious metal already challenged the resistance area found at around 33.25. If it manages to hold above this level, it could pave the way for higher highs. Thank you for watching our daily outlook. We look forward to seeing you again tomorrow. I'm Emma Jo from the Easy Forex Dealing Room. Have a great week.
Not only have you found a great place for Forex news, you found a great place to trade it. Registration is easy. Just click Join Now. Membership has its unique benefits, such as the freeze rate, the trade simulator, the inside viewer, and personal dealers. Your personal account manager waiting for you now.